Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to change mobile number in Rajhi Bank online. So start with the first one, which is the login in Rajhi Bank mobile application, or you can also go to their online banking portal. Now from there, just navigate to the main menu and tap on the profile settings. So from there, you will see your current registered mobile number displayed under the account details section. So just make sure that you have your current registered mobile number accessible, as you will need it for your OTP verification. Next up is to verify your identity. Now the bank will ask you to verify your identity before making changes. So just choose your preferred verification method. So it can be OTP via your current registered mobile number or fingerprint verification if your device supports biometrics. Next is enter the OTP verification code. So you just have to enter the one-time password or the OTP sent to your currently registered mobile number. Now the code is typically 6 to 8 digits and valid for a limited time. So a countdown timer shows when you can request a new code. Now, after a successful verification, you will see a form to enter your new mobile number, and then you just have to select the country code for the Saudi Arabia or any country that you're in, and then type in your new number. Then you just have to double check everything and make sure that the number is correct before confirming. And lastly is once confirmed, you will see a success message indicating your number has been updated successfully. Now your new number is now registered for all the banking notifications, OTPs, and security alerts. So if you may need to re-log into the app after changing your mobile number for the changes to take full effect. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!